Hey y'all, let's just touch on the Lavender Bath Bombs by Young Living. I'm not going to open this up because this is going to be a gift for somebody on my downline who is on Essential Rewards. It's coming to you, so stay tuned for that. There are 4 of these. They're about the size of a tennis ball in this bag. So if you are a person who sits and soaks in the bathtub, please, please, please don't go out and buy all the crazy stuff that's on the market because you don't know what's in them. And we know that anything that touches our skin penetrates into our skin and hits our bloodstream in measurable quantities within 26 seconds. And that goes for anything that you're sitting in your bathtub. So you need to know if it's got artificial fragrance. You need to know if it has artificial color. A lot of those bath bombs are pink or blue or whatever. They make the water all different colors. Please be aware of those, especially if you're using them for your children. But they're also going to be full of all kinds of different other chemicals, binding agents, and things that are going to be used to hold this together. And we don't know what those things are. So why I love Young Living is that they are a total wellness company. They bring us all the products that we love that we would normally purchase out in the marketplace. And they say, hey, don't go there and get all those toxins and all those chemicals and those things you don't know what they are. Let's give you something in-house to replace those with. So these bath bombs are amazing. And on the back, if you can see, there's hardly any writing on the back of this. We've got the address to Young Living and we've got directions for use. But what we have is a very, very short list of ingredients. And this is why I love Young Living. So let me just tell you what's in these things so you can feel really good about getting bath bombs of your own. Better yet, go get on Essential Rewards and get your bath bombs in April 2019 for free. There's nothing better than getting free products, especially when it's this good for you. So sodium bicarbonate, you guys know what that is. Baking soda, wonderful, okay? Citric acid, know what that is. Sucrose, lavender oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and then they have maltodextrin as a preservative. Listen, you can't get any cleaner than, what is this, 6 ingredients? 6 ingredients on here, okay? And when we say lavender oil, we're not talking about the stuff that other people are claiming to be lavender oil, which is petroleum-based, adulterated, synthetic lavender oil. You guys understand that when we're talking about lavender, there is 40% more lavender on the market, in the marketplace, than is actually grown in the world. So where is that lavender coming from? They're either cutting it, they're producing it in a chemical factory, or they're just lying to you about honestly what it is. This is, no kidding, lavender grown on the lavender farms, owned by Young Living. You can go to the farms, you can walk in the fields, you can help them harvest it if you want to. I've been there, you can watch them distill it, okay? So you want the real deal. These are really great, especially at night, which is when most people bath time, because lavender is the oil of relaxation. So not only are you getting the aromatic qualities of it, it's soaking into your body. Guys, I use lavender topically all the time when I'm trying to sleep at night and my legs don't want to sleep. Lavender. I go in, I grab some oil, I grab some lotion, I put a couple drops of lavender, and I just lather that stuff all over my legs, and within a couple of minutes my legs are as quiet and peaceful as they need to be for me to fall asleep. Okay, lavender is amazing for all kinds of things. Throw it in your diffuser at night. This is your diffuser when you're sitting in the bath, and it's soaking into your body as well and getting to work as a Swiss Army knife of oils. Coconut oil and sweet almond oil, incredibly moisturizing for your body. So after you have soaked with these, your whole body is going to feel incredibly hydrated. Your skin is going to feel really smooth. So there's no need to then get out of the tub and go lather lotion all over yourself because you've already gotten moisturized by the bath bomb itself. Contrast that with the stuff that's on the market, because bath bombs are all the rage right now. They are filled with different detergents and things that are actually harsh to your skin. So when you get out of the tub feeling more dried out than when you went in there, something's wrong. It has to do with the chemicals in your tub. So you're gonna love these. I'll stop talking about them. Just go get them.